everyone, our today's doodle topic is cafe. It is just a random idea of 9 cafe items. So, yeah, let's doodle it. So, what is doodling? The simple answer is fun, which means no rules. Now, there are not any specific techniques because everyone doodle in their own way. The best part about doodling is things around you is your reference. So, let's get started. So our first doodle is a big cup of milkshake with the ice cream and a whipped cream decoration. I love milkshakes. Doodling is done with a fun patterns. So here we are making a big U shape for our cup and a random C shapes which gives us a reference to a whipped cream decoration. As I always highlight in my all drawing videos that use a pencil first and then a marker. So here I am finishing this doodle with my snowman's drawing pen. Okay, so our second doodle is a simple ice cream softie. I'm making it based on my imagination. Doodle art is your playfulness by using any basic shapes and imagination and fun. Doodling is relaxing. It must be free, so don't be hard on yourself. Don't do this with any hard rules. Just take a plain paper and pencil or a pen and you can start it. So our third doodle is donut and I love donuts. They are my heart. So we are starting with a coin size round and then really small tiny round in the middle. Then we can draw decoration and as I told you they have my heart, so let's decorate it with hearts. So here's one tip that whenever you are drawing a circle, then don't use your wrist as support but try to draw it with your shoulder. You can practice it and you will understand that it gives you a more precise round shape. So our fourth doodle is a coffee cup from a top view. Coffee also has my heart, so we will draw a heart pattern on it. Okay, so our fifth doodle is a sandwich. Maybe it's a bit tricky, but go with your imagination and you can draw it. I guess we are making 3-layered sandwich, so we can draw accordingly. Okay, so the next doodle is a pastry. So it's a lockdown time and shops are not open right now and I guess we all are missing our old time. Anyway, we are drawing a pastry piece on a plate and maybe it's a tricky too in a first go, but try this while eating a pastry and it will be fun. Please share your point of views in a comment section that how you find it easy, tricky or what. So our next doodle is the cup of tea. You're not my cup of tea. So it's a regular cup and I guess it's easy to draw. We will also add some steam. So yeah, our tea is hot and also a cute tea bag. So our next doodle is coffee cup. It's a take away coffee cup. It is covered with a lid. I like this kind of cups. It's so cute. I'm not sure it's easy or tricky, but you can follow the guide and Okay, I'm also adding a heart shape on the cover, but you can add any shape. I guess without a kettle, our cafe doodle will be incomplete. So our last doodle is a cute kettle. We are making doodle for fun, so don't forget that, and do not focus so much on perfection. You just need to enjoy it while doing it. Don't be so hard on yourself. If you feel some wiggly lines will be cool, then go for it, try it. If you feel simple marker lines are also good, then okay, cool, go for it too. Doodles are cute art in general, so let your inner kid out and just enjoy it.